AI models are versatile and can be employed in diverse ways to create and augment data, facilitating the generation of content with a high degree of automation. It is worth noting that AI models possess multilingual capabilities and can deliver results based on the language provided, either from the dataset or the input prompt. Some of the present AI models include AI automatic writing. AI automatic writing uses a generative AI model. A generative AI model is a powerful tool that creates new content. This type of AI model uses deep learning techniques to understand and capture the underlying structure and characteristics of the data. To use a generative AI model, you need to provide it with an initial prompt. The model then uses its learned knowledge to generate new content that is relevant and coherent based on the given input. To maximize the effectiveness of a generative AI model, it is essential to provide clear and specific prompts. It's important to remember, while generative AI models offer exciting possibilities, it is important to note that they are probabilistic in nature and rely on the patterns and examples they've learned. Therefore, the generated output may not always be perfect or error-free. Careful evaluation and refinement of the output might be necessary to ensure the desired quality and accuracy of the generated content. That is to say, it is best practice to review narratives prior to their distribution. With this AI model, use the input field to enter the prompt or desired instruction. Additionally, you have the option to incorporate data from specific columns by indicating the column name within square brackets using this format. This feature allows you to leverage the structured data available in your dataset to enhance the generative capabilities of the AI model. By referencing the desired column, you can provide additional context or specific information to guide the model's output generation. It is important and recommended to remember that if you are still unsure about how to write a prompt that provides you what you need, see this section about how to write effective prompts in our manual. Other AI commands. Additional artificial intelligence models available in the platform are Autocomplete text. This function uses your original text to render a more completed version of it. Automated language translation. This function simply translates text into another language. To choose a translation language, click the box called Automated Language Translation. Named Entity Recognition, or NER. This function identifies certain elements in the text depending on a selected tag. When you select this option, two boxes will appear, allowing you to work on the AI recipe. Sentence Rewriter. This function rewrites the original text provided. Sentiment Analysis. This function analyzes and classifies text as either positive, negative, or neutral. Text Classifier. This function classifies text into categories, as selected by the user based on how probable it is that the text belongs to a given category. Introduce categories manually and separate them with a comma. Text Summarizer. This function summarizes the text of a selected column.